What if a tire inflator could replace your power bank and still inflate your car tires faster than ever before? Sounds impossible, but it's real. Today, we're diving into a device that claims to reinflate a car tire in under 30 seconds, recharge your phone, and fit in the palm of your hand. By the end of this video, you'll see why the Gooloo GT160 Dual isn't just another gadget, it might be the ultimate road companion. Gooloo has expanded its GT series with the GT160 Dual, a compact tire inflator packed with surprising upgrades. At the heart of the device is a dual-cylinder design, making inflation up to 4 times faster than the previous model. For example, a typical car tire can go from 30 to 36 psi in just 27 seconds, faster than the Xiaomi Portable Electric Compressor 2 Pro, which takes 45 seconds. It offers 5 preset modes: car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and a custom setting ranging from 2 to 160 psi, giving you complete control over inflation. The Smart Color LED display now shows battery level, inflation progress, tire pressure unit, and the selected mode, making it easier than ever to monitor your setup. Speaking of battery, the GT160 Dual now features a 10,000 mAh battery, up from the previous 7,500 mAh. That's enough power to reinflate 36 car tires, 60 bike tires, or 100 balls on a single charge. And because it doubles as a power bank with USB-C and USB-A ports, you can charge 2 devices at the same time, perfect for road trips or emergencies. All of this comes in a lightweight package, 7.68 inches by 3.15 inches by 2.56 inches and weighing just over 2 pounds, down from the original 2.44 pounds. Additional features include a built-in flashlight, magnetic nozzle storage, auto shutoff, and support for 3 pressure units: PSI, bar, and KPA. Safety isn't overlooked either, with 4 layers of protection to keep everything running smoothly. So, is it just a fancy gadget or a must-have road companion? For $69.99, the Gooloo GT160 Dual delivers faster inflation, a bigger battery, smart features, and even doubles as a power bank. It's available now on Gooloo's official store and Amazon. If you often hit the road and want peace of mind with a tool that does more than just inflate tires, this might just be the device you've been waiting for.